Welcome to our exploration of the Nelson Mandela Bridge, an iconic structure that stands as a symbol of unity and freedom in the heart of Johannesburg, South Africa. The bridge itself is a representation of so much more than just a means of transportation. It is a symbol of unity, a beacon of hope, and a testament to the strength and resilience of the people of South Africa. As we embark on this journey together, we will delve into the rich history and intricate details of this man-made marvel, shedding light on not only its tangible aspects but also on the ideals and values that it embodies. The Nelson Mandela Bridge is a remarkable architectural achievement. Its construction involved a significant amount of planning and engineering prowess. The bridge spans over 284 meters, connecting the districts of Braamfontein and Newtown, unifying regions that were once divided by racial segregation. We are going to explore the fascinating details of its construction and the innovative design features that make it not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. The design of the bridge is a testament to the cosmopolitan nature of Johannesburg, with its sleek, modern architecture seamlessly blending with the city's urban landscape. The bridge's construction was a feat of engineering, involving the use of advanced technology and innovative construction techniques. We will delve into the specifics of the materials used, the technical challenges encountered during construction, and the solutions employed to overcome these obstacles. Additionally, we will explore the costing of the bridge, detailing the financial implications of such a large-scale infrastructure project. Moreover, we will also examine the loading capacity of the bridge. Understanding the bridge's loading capacity gives us insight into the level of traffic it can handle daily, contributing crucially to its functionality. We will explore the numerical details of this aspect, providing a clear picture of the bridge's capacity to withstand the weight of vehicles and pedestrian traffic, as well as its resilience in the face of natural elements. Before we delve deeper into these aspects, it's vital to understand the historical context that gave birth to the Nelson Mandela Bridge. Named in honor of South Africa's first democratically elected president, Nelson Mandela, the bridge carries a profound significance. It represents the country's transition from a divided past to a united future. During the apartheid era, South Africa was characterized by segregation, inequality, and racial oppression. The divisions were deep and the wounds were profound. The construction of the Nelson Mandela Bridge in the post-apartheid era was a monumental step towards healing those wounds and bridging those divisions. It symbolized a new beginning for Africa, a commitment to reconciliation, and a vision of a more inclusive society. The bridge stands not just as a physical structure but as a symbol of hope and unity. The Nelson Mandela Bridge bears the name of a man who fought tirelessly for a just and equal society, a man who believed in the power of unity and reconciliation. As we explore the bridge, we're not merely studying its design and construction, we're also appreciating the ideals and values that it represents. We're taking a journey through the history of South Africa, understanding the struggle for freedom and equality, and appreciating the progress that has been made towards a more inclusive and united society. The Nelson Mandela Bridge stands today as a testament to the enduring spirit of the South African people and their commitment to a future of unity, equality, and freedom. It is more than just a bridge, it is a symbol of a nation's journey from a divided past to a united future. The construction of the Nelson Mandela Bridge in the post-apartheid era symbolized a new beginning, a commitment to reconciliation, and a vision of a more inclusive society. The construction of the Nelson Mandela Bridge was a collaborative effort that spanned several years and involved the expertise of engineers, architects, and construction workers. The bridge was designed to span the railway lines that divide Johannesburg's central business district, providing a vital link between different parts of the city. Construction began in 2001 and was completed in 2003, with the bridge officially opening to the public in October of that year. The project required careful planning, innovative engineering solutions, and meticulous attention to detail to ensure its structural integrity and functionality. As for the costing of the Nelson Mandela Bridge, the project was funded by a combination of public and private investments. While precise figures may vary, it is estimated that the construction cost amounted to several hundred million South African rand, reflecting the scale and complexity of the project. The Nelson Mandela Bridge is distinguished by its sleek, modern design and striking architectural features. Spanning 284 meters, 932 feet, in length and soaring 42 meters, 138 feet. Above the railway lines below, the bridge serves as a prominent landmark on the Johannesburg skyline. The bridge's design incorporates a series of concrete piers and steel cables, which provide support and stability to the structure. The use of high-strength materials and advanced construction techniques ensured that the bridge could withstand the demands of heavy traffic and adverse weather conditions. In terms of loading capacity, the Nelson Mandela Bridge is designed to accommodate both vehicular and pedestrian